Hey everyone, you're watching the Package Reaper. This is the Goodson Moza Mini-Me for smartphones. A smartphone stabilizer that set a line against its rivals like the Osmo Mobile 2. Or maybe not.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
So it comes with a sick carbon fiber pattern case. It has strap hooks and 2 zippers. And I'm guessing this could be waterproof. The inside is covered with a wavy foam where the stabilizer and other accessories could be placed safely and intact. The stabilizer comes with a mini tripod, a micro USB charging cable, not the SD card that's mine, and a user manual. Also, I keep small accessories behind the foam, so the packaging is neater. The great thing about this stabilizer is the hardware controls. It has a joystick, a directional pad wheel, a shutter button, and lots of button shortcuts. It also has a lot of 1/4 inch accessory mounts. One here, one at the bottom, and 2 more at the top. So here's the micro USB charging port with the flap. And here at the top is the phone clamp. Unlike the Osmo Mobile 2, the Moza Mini's motor's rotation are not too limited. One example is the yaw motor. It is rotatable up to 360 degrees and it could do an infinite roll or an inception mode. There is a wireless charging pad under the phone clamp and 2 more 1/4 inch accessory mounts. There is also a USB-A output port for charging purposes or a power supply for accessories. The phone mount is rotatable through this knob for vertical filming. And here is another knob for balancing the arm. You can mount a stabilizer on the tripod like this for a better hand grip control. This stabilizer packs a lot of features and crushes other smartphone stabilizers, but not entirely. It's a lot larger than the Osmo when it's stored since the arms are turned away from each other, but it feels more premium even though it's mostly plastic. Almost everything is amazing about this stabilizer. The hardware controls makes it even better. I used it on our vacation with gloves on and everything went smoothly. That's a pun too. I used it on extreme snow and temperature and I'm shocked that it even survived since it's not even rated as weatherproof. The battery lasted for a long time and it even charged my S8 a couple of times. One thing I hate about it though is the software, the Moza Genie application. The UI is great, navigation is okay. You can control the app with the hardware controls, but it lacks some features like the 360 sphere panorama and long exposure. Some of the functions are also broken like the advanced time-lapse, object tracking, and frame rates. All of my recorded clips using the app has inconsistent frame rates. My FPS settings is set to 30 FPS, but all of my clips have different frame rates like 29.9, 30.2, 29.7, and other close frame rates. All of this could be fixed with a software update, but as for now, DJI still triumphs in software. So don't forget to check out my other channel for films and sample footage using this stabilizer. Also, product links are below in the description and I will really appreciate it if you use those. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. comment your thoughts and questions and I will surely reply to it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Cheers!